right, so now we're going to look at the lead and lithium cell. Again, we're going to start off kind of the same way here, where what we're going to do is we're going to assign one to be lead and one to be lithium, and it really doesn't matter which one we pick. So in this case here, we'll just say that this one, oh, sorry, this is lithium, and this will be lead. All right, so I'm going to find lead and lithium here. So lithium is way at the bottom, and lead is well closer to the top. So this one's going to be reduced. This one's going to be oxidized. So lead is going to be reduced. So this is reduced. Okay, so because of that, it's going to be the cathode. Okay, and the cathode is positive. Okay, and we know what's going to happen here is we're going to have Pb 2 plus 2 electrons is going to go into lead. So we know that any lead ions in solution are going to be plated up here, and we know 2 electrons are going to come from the wire in order to plate that metal. So what's going to happen is we're actually going to gain here, so it's going to get bigger, okay? So this cathode is going to gain mass. Now, like we said, well, if the electrons have to go in this direction, hey, check that out, and that works good, because if that's the cathode, this must be the anode. And that makes sense. Okay, why? Because over here we have oxidization occurring. So what we have, again, we're going to write this in the opposite direction, is lithium metal going to the lithium ions plus 1 electron. So we're going to have an electron going up, and we're going to have lithium ions going into solution. Okay, so what's going to happen here is on the lithium side, we're going to get an increase in concentration of the positive ions. So then whatever negative ion I have in here, so let's imagine here that it's salt or NaCl. Okay, so Na plus Cl negative, what's going to happen is the chlorine is actually going to go on this side in order to balance that out. Okay, and then over here, what's happening is we have the positive cations of lead are going and being plated, so we have a decrease in the amount of positive ions that we have in solution. So we need to increase that, and the sodium is going to help us by coming down here and alleviating that sort of stress, I guess, because if those ions don't move in the salt bridge, then we end up getting no electric current that travels because of the buildup of positive and negative charge in the solution. Okay, so that kind of covers everything. If I was to write this out, remember, here's my salt bridge. I do my oxidization, then my reduction. Okay, so this would be lithium metal, lithium ions, and then lead ions, and lead. Remember, this side, oxidization, this is the salt bridge, and this side is reduction. All right, there we go. Thank you for watching this, and we will have a great day.